Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Okube. Today's tutorial is how I got this beautiful trending Instagram GELE. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. You guys are super amazing. I love you all so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been this place. You've taken me there so far. So now let's get started with this tutorial. I've pleated my plates already and I've laid it on a forehead. So I just crossed over the ashoke to the two extreme ends. Then I will use the aspect of the ashoke that is no long, which is the 30% of the ashoke. I divided the ashoke into the ratio 70-30. So now I'm just trying to arrange my plate. I'm just trying to slant it like this. So you guys should just follow what I'm doing and try to understand what I'm doing. So I'm just basically trying to just arrange it out like this. This is actually a trending Instagram GELE in which the middle of the tie will be open as a V. So this is actually pretty easy. So just see what I'm doing. If you don't understand anything, let me know. So I'll tell my model to help me pull that part why I start forming plates on the other side of the ashoke. So now I'm just trying to arrange it also. If you've not seen my previous tutorials on my GELEs, please go and watch them. They might be helpful and useful to you all. Please put a comment in the comment section, and please like this video and subscribe if you are new here. So now that I've done that, so I'm just going to just place it over the other part of the ashoke which I formed before. Then I'll cross it and place it like that. Use my hand to hold the middle. You see what I'm doing? Why I arrange it. So I'm just using my hand to arrange the plate out. Let me try to zoom my lens out a bit in. I don't even know my hand, so you guys can see properly. So now you see that upper aspect that's like open V. That's just it. So now I'm just trying to just open it very well. So the extreme end of the ashoke, now I'll twist it over and carry it to the back to pin down. I'll just carry it over to the back and I pin. So but before that, I'll use a pin to secure the two middle. You use a pin to secure it very well so it doesn't really scatter much, while I still try to arrange my plates as much as possible. So now I will go to the other side and just carry that one to the back and I pin it down. So I'm just trying to pin it down. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you love it, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one, loves. Bye loves. Please drop an emoji, drop a comment and like this video. See you all in my next one. Bye bye.